When civil engineer Eddie O'Brien founded his small Michigan construction firm in 1962, he began a family-owned business that has survived and thrived for almost 60 years. Today, the O'Brien Construction Company has grown to include 56 full-time employees and generates an average of $100 million in annual revenue. With commercial projects that include multifamily housing, assisted living, historic preservation, municipal, education, and religious construction, O'Brien Construction now serves the city of Detroit and locations throughout the state. In 2014, as awarded jobs multiplied and requests for bids increased, second-generation owner Tim O'Brien began looking for a more formalized approach to their estimating process, and ProEst was added to the mix. The company transitioned to the ProEst Cloud platform in 2020, providing a much-needed virtual connection among their Precon personnel. It was a game-changing move for O'Brien, giving project stakeholders a new ability to work on bids simultaneously, inputting numbers, setting schedules, and verifying markups together. ProEst has also helped the O'Brien Precon team create conceptual estimates that serve as budget setting for the subcontractor bid process down the road. That's why the Bid Day Analysis tool holds special value for O'Brien's project managers, a more efficient way to compare and contrast multiple subcontractor bids. O'Brien also appreciates how ProEst has standardized the company's reporting, helping them produce polished, consistently formatted reports that have made a favorable impression on their clients. For a company that has grown exponentially, and with a lot more growing to do, O'Brien credits ProEst as the innovation partner they needed to make the next 60 years as successful as the first. What can ProEst do for you?